Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Pen. Now, this is a quick tips video. As some of you are probably aware, Steve and I go to the cinema quite regularly. We can afford to do this because of two reasons. Steve has a CEA card, which is a cinema exhibitors something, because of his disability, which means a carer can go in free, i.e. me. Steve also has a Cineworld pass, which is, you can go into, it costs about 20, well, depending where you live, about £20 a month, and you can go into the cinema as many times as you like each month. So for £20 a month, we can go to the cinema every week, and that's it. That's what it cost us, plus the initial £6 for the £6.50, I think, for the CEA card. We could go every day if we wanted. Also, with the the cinema, no, I'll get it right in a minute, the Cineworld card, after 3 months of having the card, you get 25% off your snacks in the cinema. And yeah, 25% off. I mean, let's not sniff at it, but I'm tight. Sorry, I am. So we take our warm drinks with us, and often we'll take a cold one as well. Now the popcorn is very good, but it's also quite expensive. So I will buy a big bag of popcorn. Now I'm going to open it because we're going today. So I open it. Now you're sitting in the cinema, either, well actually behind, in front, next to somebody, and all you can hear is where each person's putting their hand into the bag to get some popcorn. Well, watch. If you just push up like this, okay, you are creating a bowl. Can you see? The popcorn is now all there. And so it will sit, I'm hoping, look, it will sit like that, so it sits nicely because it's got flat bottom, and then pop in. Shouldn't have started, should I? And you've got your popcorn, dirt cheap because you bought it in the supermarket next door or the supermarket when you went shopping, and you're not making that horrible rustling noise that disturbs other cinema goers. Can't do anything about the slurping of straws, so sorry, haven't sussed that one out yet. Not that I slurp, but others. And then if you remember the hack for sealing, so you fold down there and you fold down there like that. You turn it over like so. You're rolling it over, and then you're just pulling over these edges like so, and your bag is sealed. So cinemas let you take your own food and drink in now. Don't believe that they don't. We have been known to take in our own hot dogs before. Well, when I say our own, I say Steve's own. We got some proper popcorn. Got popcorn on the bone. Proper hot dog sleeves, and I would cook him one up and wrap it in foil, and he'd have that. So save money on your cinema trips by buying your popcorn first. Do the little bucket trick that I taught you, and if you don't eat it all, that's how you seal it. So thank you for watching this Pen's Tips, and I shall see you again on the next one. Bye bye for now.